ngikuxolele laba le yabona abo enhlembali, the enhlembalis of this world, gents, ningabadate labantwana. They won't be there when you're struggling. When you're prospering, bafuna ukulibele bakudrag emuva. Abo enhle ile ama ex la angafuna ukubona uba grand because awukho nabo. That's all. Uzokutshela ukuthi kade nawo ungana next. Fuck that shit, man. Fuck that shit. Ayikho lento le. Well, just a situationship. Ubekho coffee manje sakazi izinto mfethu. Sayaphila. Asikhathi angaphili uhlane nama low hanging fruits abafana nabo enhle. She must move on. She was a low hanging fruit then. Manje sakahamba ngama hosh karamaima. Abantu abamsupportayo. Ublack Coffee sakahamba nabantu abaqavayo ukuthi azini i-right or die. If uBlack Coffee ubebroke asahamba no-enhle amamehlo. Kade azobona ama-flame. Anyway, singene kule part le mampara. Azi le ntwana zama-racist lezi. Athi di-racist. The-racist enhle anyone ozondanga. Tlamele utsibe hore ke ndini Khampopo. Anyone ozondanga tlamele utsibe hore that person is a retarded person. Fana nalo Clark 1411 lapha ku TikTok. Le bunu le Clark 14. It's 2025. It's 2025. Clark nabangani bakhe basa advocate for return of apartheid. 2025. Ayabona ukuthi ama retards. And then bakayi energy nami ukuze ngikhulume naye nje ngimkayi energy lo Clark 1411. These people don't deserve our energies. You can't be having such racists in 2025. You know why they are racist? They are losers. Black people are doing so well. You go to the lower fraternity, they are there, they are doctors, they are graduating, they are PhDs. So kuyabonakala manje ukuthi grand Utaki usmart. Sebayabona abo Clark 1411 ukuthi Utaki usmart. Baba offended bafuna uku-return apartheid because without apartheid these racists, they are losers. Without apartheid, these racists, they are the bottom. They are at the bottom of the food chain because they are retarded. They can't think for themselves. They can't do anything on their own without being allowed by a segregationalist system that will obviously put them with number one without them putting any efforts whatsoever. So that's why they're advocating for a return of apartheid. They are retarded people. This Clark 1411, he's a retard. You know, during apartheid, a typical... Listen, I'm not trying to be a racist here. I'm just putting out facts. A typical Afrikaner boy, typical, I'm not saying all, typical, will only go as far as to be a speed cop, or be drafted in the military, or go somewhere into a career that does not require a lot of thinking. So now, because they see that black people are doing well, they are advocating for apartheid 2.0. Because that's the only system la khona bazokhona ukuthi baphile babe ngcono than abantu abamnyama. But on merit, on merit, these people, they know that they can't beat us. Pure competition nje. Put a black person and a white person in the same room. Uthi akunyiwe mamela, we're always number one. So they know that they can't do it with merit. So that's why they're advocating for apartheid 2.0. And this guy said, he said he went against this thing that South Africa was built on black labor. He said it was Afrikaners. Cap, bullshit. Iyafana nalento le farms. You get people saying, no, we are good at farming. No, go to these farms and see who's farming. It's black labor. It's black people. Africans people are farm owners. They're not farm laborers. So when they say they are good at farming, which farming? Because they only own their farms.
In which land?
In which land? Because the land is fertile already. The land is fertile. The only way we're going to find out that you are a best driver is if you drive on roads full of potholes. Or if you fly a plane on a windy day. or where there is storm and you sail successfully in the storm, then we will say you are a best sailor. But you are farming on fertile soil using black people, then you come and say you are a better farmer. No. That's just taking credit, right? That's just taking credit. You're just taking credit of the laborers, of other people's work. And we need to put this out there that white people in history, they have this tendency of taking the credit of black people's work. You look in the art industry, there are many portraits that were painted by black people, but a white artist came and took credit. You look at the whole Shakespeare story. When we do research, we find out that actually Shakespeare was a black woman. You look at the Wachowski brothers who directed Matrix. We found out that actually Matrix was written by a black woman. So these guys just came and took credit and ran with it. Now we get people saying they are best farmers. So people like Clark, they know the only way they are going to survive is if they are racist. Shout out to many Africans people out there that are putting effort to make South Africa a better country. You know, we deserve such countrymen. So shout out also to other black people who are also contributing to make South Africa a better country. Because as much as we have white racists, we have black negative thinkers. We have black people that you will find in the township that don't like good things. When they see good thing, they talk against it. Sinabo labo bantu labo. Abo tabani ban. Into enhle bayi-appreciate. Amabhodlela, ama-slay queens, yi-lifestyle abafuna ukuyifundisa amajida la egazi. Mara zama ukuthi kepha uze nento enhle. Hayi mamela. Kusasa lokhu. Abazothi intwana ekipari. You understand? So we need to talk about that. The reason why after fucking 30 years, is it 30 years or 31 years? 31 years of democracy. 31 years of democracy. There are still children walking to school long distances. Without shoes. Without a bridge. 31 years of black governance. We still have neighborhoods that are inhabited by black people that don't have service delivery. Poor service delivery. Yes, we need to acknowledge that these racists are being fed by black people who are anti-progress. Black people who want progress for only themselves and their families. Huh? I mean, they are able to dig a hole. You know, back then, if there was a corrupt politician within the apartheid regime, gap. Lema ichonchayo, mabaza futhi beze ba build ikela like us. I mean, in Africans' neighborhood. Kade bangatshontshi imali, asazi nomuntu eyi-1 umqashile. Yeah? Akunabantu at least abayi-5 esebakhomba ukuthi uba isesikolweni. Mara utshontsha ama-million, this maumela ka indoda yerro. That guy unama-Lamborghini aboma-4, 5, one man. I'm telling you, I challenge you now. If we can, from his village, I think it's from Venda. I don't know where that guy is from. But if now we can say we need a list of more than 5 people that Maumela assisted to start businesses, assisted to go to school, you'll never find that list, my brother. You'll never find. Uzothola abantu abafake kumathenda ukuthi afakante ngabo ukuthi adle. Yizo izinto ozozithola lezo. But go and look at the work that the FF Plus is putting into Afrikaner neighborhoods. Go look at the work that Solidarity, Freedom Front. Look at the work that these people are doing in Afrikaner. Look at the work that they are doing in their own neighborhoods. They are building varsities. They are building varsities for African people only. Can't you learn from that? Because we can't blame you, my brother, for wanting your countrymen, your fellow countrymen to be better. Mina manje mengathi hayazi abantu ababuye enhlapho ushongweni. As long as ubuye enhlapho ushongweni, mone business idea ngifake esincane. Uzoba against me. It's my right, I have a right to do so. You see, I'm protected with democratic right. So we are like Orania. These people built Orania. You have people who are against Orania. You understand? You have people who are against white people doing best for themselves. Why do you want other people to come and help us as black people? Like that is for Jesus. That we are waiting for a Messiah. There's no Indian guy who's gonna come in the township and build schools to empower black people. That's not gonna happen. They're going to go somewhere to Phoenix and build schools in Phoenix.
It might probably burn it or something.
You see? So I mean, come on, dog. This thing is not on. So I mean, ngifuna nje ukukhuluma about Clark sucks. Bring the camera this side, man. This Clark guy sucks. Right? So Clark njengoba bapeta kanje ubhedisa nabo dakhi laba ababhedayo. Ubhedisa nalabo dakhi laba ababhedayo. Abobheka mina ngedwa. Ubhediswa nayibo labantu laba. That's why akhona ukuthi abhede boldly. You understand? So yiyo i-situation esibhekane nayo le. So otherwise bafethu it's Mr. Machona from the corner la uzongithola khona. Mokhona ukuba khona. Tanko.